Back to God's Survival. I hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you guys are enjoying your day, your evening, your afternoon, your night, your early morning coffee, whatever you're doing while you're watching this. Today I was walking around Harbor Freight, and I have mixed reviews about them. I know people with mixed reviews about Harbor Freight. But me personally, my opinion of Harbor Freight is 95% pretty good. When I get stuff, 95% of the time it works like it's supposed to, and I have no issues with it. With that being said, I was walking around Harbor Freight and I saw a flashlight. I couldn't help but look at it. I love flashlights. If you guys saw the video before, I'll try to put up in the corner here. You guys see that I have flashlights. But I saw that this one in particular was Type C rechargeable. Hey, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like rechargeable stuff. With that being said, this is what I got. Like I said, nothing fancy. It has two modes, a high and a low. The high is a 45 lumens for 4 hours, feet of 230 feet. The low is 110 lumens for 9 hours at 120 feet. I don't think that's pretty bad myself. It is water resistant. Like I said, it has two modes, high and low. Crack this bad boy open. This flashlight, from tip to tip, is about 6 inches. I believe this will fit very nicely in my pocket. Looks like it has, you guys can see it now. It has a pretty deep pocket clip. One single push button. Push it down the whole way, turn it on, and a half click to rotate through the modes. The battery inside is a lithium ion, 3.7 volts. It's a 700 mAh battery. Sorry, I don't know what that means really. So, and it even gives you a little diagram down here. You guys can see that for the Type C. All you gotta do is unscrew this little hole here, slides down, and right there's the C type port. Name brand right there. Fairly light. I can't complain about that. Apparently you can zoom in. You can see nothing about zooming in. Yeah, it looks like you can zoom. That's pretty dope. I didn't know that. Sorry, you got a little stupid stuff. Let's see here. What else is here? Open the rest of the box up. A normal USB to a Type C charging cable. Not too bad. Pretty short on the short side. Let's see, the cable itself about 21 inches long. And with instructions, who needs instructions? Let's see. So the package, it says easy access on and off switch, stainless clip, super dirty aluminum housing, ideal for tight and narrow areas. Again, it is water and dust resistant. IPX7 rating. If you guys know what that means, let me know. I greatly appreciate it. It is a single LED. If you guys can see that. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to put this in the rotation and see what it really does. How good it can handle. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Like I said, there's nothing special. It's just something I saw. I thought, heck, that is neat. Why not do a review about it? Hope you guys love it. Peace out. See you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the flashlight here. I unboxed it for you guys right now. This is a water resistant, not waterproof, water resistant flashlight. It is type C rechargeable. I'm going to try to show you guys this. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Peace out. So, as you guys can see, that's the low light. Oh, sorry, that's the low light. That's the highlight. Yeah, hope you guys can see that okay. Like I said, highlight, low light. Goes away. Huh. That's interesting.